In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in Docusign. Whether you're preparing an important document for business or personal use, having the ability to quickly add a signature field can enhance both efficiency and professionalism. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, head over to the Docusign website. This platform is well known for being a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a go-to resource for many professionals around the globe. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll want to do is to log into your account. Simply click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one as you'll need it to proceed further. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your Docusign home by clicking on the respective link or button. This is your central hub where you can manage documents, check on pending tasks, and take other required actions. You'll see a collection of templates available to you. Find a template that fits your current needs and select it. You can explore the various options provided if you're unsure which one to choose. Once you've determined which template to use, click on it. This will bring up the option to add your specific details. Pay attention to what information you need to include here. Think of names, dates, or any elements that are vital for your document's purpose. Filling in these details correctly will ensure a smoother process down the line. When you have added all the necessary details, click on Next. This button is a gateway to the more interactive part of the process, adding fields to your document. Among the various options available to you, one key step is to click on Signature. In Docusign, adding a signature field is a straightforward task. Usually you'll be able to drag and drop the signature field into the desired location on your document. Be mindful of its placement to ensure it aligns nicely within the overall layout of your document. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a signature field in Docusign. This process can save you a lot of time and effort when preparing documents for digital signing. We hope this guide makes it easier for you to use Docusign more effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to create a few test documents to become more comfortable with Docusign's interface. If you've enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, feel free to check out other related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.